Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Ensure you also have a replacement motor handy. Start by unplugging the vacuum from the power source. Safety is paramount. Next, remove the dust container and filter to access the motor compartment. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located on the back panel of the vacuum. There are about 6 screws, so take your time and set them aside in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel. This will expose the motor and internal components. Use the soft brush to clean any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside. A clean environment ensures your vacuum operates efficiently. If you find the motor is malfunctioning, it's time to replace it. Carefully disconnect the motor's wiring harness by gently pulling it out. This may require the flathead screwdriver to pry it loose if it's stuck. If you're unsure about the wiring, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the issue. Now, take the new motor and connect the wiring harness. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Before sealing everything back up, it's a good idea to clean the area around the motor with the microfiber cloth. After ensuring everything is clean, replace the back panel. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, it's essential to tighten them evenly to avoid any misalignment. Once the panel is back in place, reinsert the dust container and filter. Now, plug in the vacuum and turn it on to test if the new motor operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, ensuring no calls and no travel are necessary for you. For those who may find it challenging to complete this task, we recommend asking for help. You can always get a quote before the repair, ensuring transparency and costs. In summary, cleaning and replacing the motor of your Conga 8290 is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.